Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to the Hawaiian Luau. The host is Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It. And I'm sorry I could not do mine outside this week because of the storms and the extreme heat. And because we got a derecho that came through and some tornadoes. So I hope you enjoy the photos and videos of my flowers outside before the storms and my tablescape I had to do inside. Okay, here's my table. The first plate is tie-dye, and I used an orange napkin, and I did it to kind of look like a leaf, and then I added a starfish on this one and 2 shells on the other one. And this is a charger, silver charger, and my sloth, and my flamingo, and my pineapple, and my tree, and my lei. That was all Dollar Tree. And same way with my blue scatter. And the tablecloth, I found that on Amazon. I thought it was pretty and bright, and at least it would be cheery, even on a hot, stormy day like today.